welcome back to my channel. Hope you are doing well. So guys, it's another video today, and in today's video, okay, before I start, okay, please make sure you subscribe if you haven't. Please hit the subscription button, okay, if you haven't, okay, and please make sure you click on the bell so that if I upload you get notified. Okay, please make sure you do subscribe. Okay, just a minute, and not even a minute, a second, not even a second, you just click it. Okay. Okay, so guys, in today's video I'm about to do a mask that I found here on YouTube. Okay, the tomato mask. Okay, I just want something on my face before I go to bed, and then yeah, I was just looking and then I found this tomato mask. It's just simple and I just want to try it for the first time. I love trying out things, so I found it. I was like, okay, let me just try it, because during the search I found out that it contains a whole lot of vitamins, and it helps with dark spots, and it helps with wrinkles and all of that. Okay, so I just want to give it a try and show you guys how I do it and how it comes out. Okay, how it turns out. And yeah, so since I love trying out things, if you guys want me to try out things and show you guys, I would love to do it, because I love trying out things. I'm always looking for new things to try. So if you guys want videos also on me trying out things, I can also do them for you guys. So guys, let's get into the video. Okay, please make sure you subscribe. Why? Subscribe. What it? Why? What it? Oh my god. So guys, here are the ingredients. You will need 1 tomato. I'm using only 1 tomato, and then honey. Okay, this is it. You don't need anything else. So 1 tomato and honey. Let's get started. I'm done. I'm just going to apply it on my face. Oh god, why is mine so watery? The one I saw wasn't so. Oh god, I don't know why guys, but mine, it seems like mine is so watery. I don't know why, but it's only tomato. I don't know. Oh no, it's not the same as the one I saw. The one I saw was thicker. Oh god. Or did they put anything inside I didn't see? No. Did they put something inside I didn't see? Oh god. Even entering my mouth. Mommy. Oh guys, I ate some guys. Oh my god, women, very soon we'll be applying stew on our faces. This is water. I don't know why. Why was this woman's one thick and mine so watery? Oh god. Oh lord. I did the same thing. It's the same thing that I did. Oh guys, if someone has ever tried this tomato recipe, yeah, if someone has ever tried it, please leave a comment let me know, okay, because I don't know if I did it right or I did it wrong. Look, let me know. Oh god, I don't know why What is going on? She used the one I saw. She used tomato. The one me too. I also used the same tomato, but it seems like mine is not. Mine is not doing the job. Oh God. Oh my God. I don't know. Mine is not. Look, I have everything here. Still in here. Everything is in here. I don't know if you guys can see. Hey, yes. Oh God. Hey, women here, bro. We are suffering, no women. I think I should have put on a babe. Mommy for people will show home. She said, yeah, let me put this tissue there. If yeah. Yeah. If you watch this video, please don't laugh. Just help me. If I did anything wrong, show me, okay? Tell me in the comment section below how to do it, and I'll do the video again. And then I made a minto saka baby. Oh my God. Let me. I'm just trying to. Oh God, I think I'll stop here. They said you have to wait for. Oh God, I didn't say my time. You have to wait for like 15 minutes, yeah? So I just want this thing on my face to stay on my face. I just want it on my face. Enough guys. Okay, I'm not going to do anything again. I'm just going to guys. Hey, women, we are suffering. Women, we are suffering. So I just tried it. I don't know, but I'm just going to wait, guys, for this 15 minutes to come, and then I'll come back and show you guys, tell you guys how it turned out. Okay, it's still dripping, but yeah, I have this thing here, so I'm just going to have, but more is left. The one I saw, I mean, it was thick. I don't know. These people, I don't know when they show. I don't know whether they do something that we don't see. You see, more is left. More is left. I don't know how, but anyways, I'm just going to wait for the 15 minutes and then I'll come back and tell you guys. Yeah. Tomato Max gone wrong. So guys, it's 15 minutes time, and as you can see, it has dried up. Yeah, dried up. So I'm just going to like wash my face. So I'm just going to wash my face and come back and show you guys. So guys, I just washed my face, and yeah, my face is smooth though, like you can feel the smoothness in my face. Oh god, like wow, can really see a change. Yeah, like it is smooth and soft. Will I do this again? Maybe, yes. Okay, but I don't know why mine turned out so watery. I don't know why, I don't know what I did, but I just saw that it was tomato and then honey. I don't know, I didn't add anything. It was just tomato, but mine was so watery and dripping all over the place. But it was good. Oh, I like it. So if you did enjoy this video, please make sure you like, okay? Make sure you leave a thumbs up, and please make sure you subscribe to this channel. I have another channel, guys, also called Time with Miss Lady Abigail. There we learn about women, we talk about women, and it's a channel that we grow together and we learn to become great women of God. So please check that out. Also, I will leave the link in the description box. Support, make sure you click, and make sure it's all about growing, it's all about learning, it's all about becoming great women of God and knowing who we are. And any one of you have tried this tomato mask, okay, please let me know in the comment section. How was it? How did you like it? How did you do yours? Because mine was so watery, and the video that I saw, it was thick. I don't know what I did. Mine was watery. So if you did yours and it was okay, let me know. And did you like it? Let me know, okay? I would love to know if you tried it and then you like it. You can also try it and give your comment. Guys, I'll see you in my next video. Till then, stay safe and stay blessed, okay? Did you enjoy?